In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Cettire promo code. So let's get started. So Cettire is a clothing brand. It's a very popular one and an expensive one as well. And you might be wondering on how you can get a discount while purchasing from here. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Cettire promo code. Then you're gonna scroll down until you see this website Coupon Temple. You're gonna click on it. So once you're on this website, that's the logo for Cettire right there. And the first one is 10% off with this promo code. And as you guys can see, these all are verified codes, so they all are guaranteed to work. But the first one is used almost 17,000 times, so that's a very popular one. So you can click on it. So get code. We're gonna wait for it. And this is the code for getting a 10% off. So you can copy the code by clicking here, and then you can click go to the store, which will take you to their website. You can choose your products you want to buy, and you can use this code at checkout for a 10% off. Similarly, there are many other codes here. For example, 60% off discount mid-season sale. So you can click get code, and it's gonna open a code. So for this you don't need a code because this is an ongoing offer right now on the website, so you can directly go and claim this offer. So this one is 30% off discount code, so you can click on it. And this code extra 20 is going to give you a 30% discount. So it's the same way you're going to copy and go and use it at checkout. So yeah, you can go and explore many other codes here as well. So yeah, so alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.